Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Varsha Satish, a mindset and life coach. Today I am going to discuss about EFT or tapping method. I will also give you a live example of how to do a tapping to stop resisting money or remove any kind of money blockages in your life and instead make money your good friend. So stay tuned till the end to learn about this life-changing tool. If you haven't heard about EFT before, it is just emotional freedom technique. In this method, we tap on the meridian points, and these are certain acupressure points at various parts of our body, starting from the karate chop point, which is the side of your hand, and then we tap on certain points starting from near our eyebrows, temple, under your eyes, under your nose, under your lips, then collarbone, then under your arm, then top of your head. This is one full cycle of tapping on your meridian points. You can do 7 to 8 taps on each point. There's no need to count on that. Do as much as you feel right for you. And we can use either both hands, right or left, and you can do it both together as well. Here I am using just one hand. And it's believed that when we tap on these points and think about our problem, it sends a calming signal to the part of the brain called amygdala, which is responsible for the fight and flight mechanism. And here it releases unwanted energy in our body by clearing out our struggle, trauma, and emotional pain. When we tap on these meridian points, we are actually stimulating the nerve endings which actually releases any kind of pain that we are feeling. It is similar to keeping acupressure needles on these meridian points, which you might have heard about the treatment. But with EFT, we also say out certain phrases or statements to let out our emotional trauma or struggle, which is why it is called emotional freedom, freeing your emotions. You're freeing up the emotions that's holding you back or that's causing you trouble. EFT deals with any kind of pain, anxiety, negativity in our mind and body, helps to observe the feeling and acknowledge it. Once we get the clarity of our issue, we will rate the intensity of it on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being no resistance at all and 10 being really having a problem with our issue. Then we will use certain phrases that EFT uses, starting to tap from the karate chop point, and we then tap with certain reminder phrases which help us to accept and acknowledge the problem we have at present. Then we tap along with some self-affirming phrases or statements where we say what we actually want to feel. And then we do the closing by taking a deep breath and again rating how we feel. This is how the entire process goes. I hope it's clear to you so far. So now let me take you through a tapping to release any kind of money blockages. If you feel like no matter whatever you are doing, you are not able to attract money and not able to earn enough what you deserve, and if you are having lot of debt and you worry about paying it off, then I will show you how to tap to release the money resistance you are holding and become the attractor of money. You can follow along with me. Remember, this is just a script I am using to guide you through the tapping process. You can use statements that connect more with the emotions that you are feeling at that point of time. So, before starting, I want you to rate how you feel around the topic of money. The frustration, anxiety or any emotions you feel when you think about money. 1 being no resistance at all and 10 being very high resistance or stress around money. So now let's get started. First, before starting, take a deep breath, and I hope you have rated how much resistance you are feeling from 1 to 10. And now we can start from the karate chop point. Even though I feel much resistance around money, I totally love and accept myself. Even though I feel this anxiety and worry around not earning a decent income, I completely love and respect myself. Even though I'm feeling so much anxiety and stress around paying off my debt, I totally love and honor myself. Eyebrow. This resistance around money. Tempo. When thinking about money, I can see myself reacting already. Under eye. I feel so frustrated just with the thought of money. Above lips. All this resistance around money, I let it go. Under lips. I feel so stressed out thinking about all my debts. I let it go. Collarbone. I always have trouble with money. I choose to let go of this resistance. Underarms. I can't stop worrying about money. Top of the head. All this fear and stress around money, I let it go. Again, the second round with starting from eyebrow. The negative story I keep telling myself around money, I know it's not true and I choose to let it go. Tempo. All these beliefs I hold about having money in my life, I let it go. Here you think about all the stories and beliefs you have been telling yourself about not having money or not having enough. And now under the eyes, this money resistance, I let it melt away. Under the nose, I will never be out of debt. That's just a story. I let it go. Under the lips, I will never be free of debt. That's just a story. I let it go. Collarbone. I'm not good with money. I feel it just cannot come so easily to me. I let it go. All this money resistance and worry, I let it go. Top of the head. All the anxiety around money, I let it go. I'm so ready to let it be so easy for me. Now take a deep breath and blow out all the negative emotions you feel around money. And now again rate from 1 to 10 how much resistance you feel when you think about the topic of money. It definitely would be less than what you have rated once you started out. And if it has not changed, don't worry, you can do this again. So let's do one more round. Eyebrow. I'm just over it. Tempo. I want money to be easy for me. Under the eye, I choose to believe that money is an unlimited resource. Under the nose, I am willing to believe money is on its way to me. Under the lips, I choose to melt away the money resistance right now. Collarbone, I am a money magnet. Underarms, I allow money to be so easy for me. Top of the head, money is my friend and abundance is always coming my way. Now take a deep breath and release. Now I would like you to rate again on a scale of 1 to 10 how much resistance you feel around money. If it's anything above 4, I recommend you to repeat this process once again. And if you got between 1 to 3, a lot of the resistance you have been feeling around money has been cleared out and you are ready to attract more money into your life now just by doing this. I hope you enjoy doing this tapping with me and learned how to do tapping on yourself for the emotions you felt around money resistance. Stay tuned for more such videos on EFT tapping, manifestation, mindfulness and all about mindset shifts. Subscribe to my channel if you liked watching this video and turn on bell icon to receive all notifications for my future videos so that you won't miss it out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.